Yes, it looks like we're doing this.
I've been on my spaceship counting stars since '94.
Oh.
Waiting for someone to come and knock on my door.
Hugh Jarsz!
Looking for someone who'd be the Venus to my Mars.
Hugh Jarsz.
Why does love always have to be this hard?
Oh, God.
Got me feeling like, ooh, I'm looking for someone who can
I think I've seen him before.
really turn me on.
And that's just what Mrs. Sensible said to me.
Oh, God.
Next to you,
Hugh Jarsz!
all my problems disappear. Waiting for you.
I need some cheering up.
In light years, I met you.
Well, slap my ass and call me Shirley.
Been in my spaceship counting sheep to fall asleep.
Yeah,
Dreaming about the day that someone would rescue me.
Hugh Jarsz!
Looking for someone who'd be the moon to my stars.
Yeah,
Why does love always have to be this hard? It's got me feeling like, ooh, I'm looking for someone
Well, let me help you out.
really turn me on.
And that's just what Mrs. Sensible said to me.
oh, God.
Next to you,
Yes, it looks like we're doing
all my
this.
problems disappear. Waiting for you.
So we're ready for the gotcha.
In light years, I met you. I met you.
Yes,
I've been in my spaceship.
I'm so bored that even mindless violence seems boring today.
I've been in my spaceship. I've been in my spaceship.
yes, it looks like we're doing this.
I've been in my spaceship.
This is Hugh Jarsz!